Top 12 Best Electric Car Vehicles in 2021. Every year, more and more EVs are released to the public by automotive giants and startups alike. 2021 was no exception, featuring some of the best electric vehicles ever designed. Some of these cars are basic, while others push technology to their limits. In this video, we discuss the top 12 electric cars of 2021. Number 12. Hyundai Ioniq Electric. Hyundai is one of the most popular automakers in the world. Though they aren't necessarily known for luxury, they promise stability and affordability. The Ioniq Electric is a line that has its hybrid archetypes. Even so, there's a full electric version, and with a price of $34,000 and a range of 170 miles, is rather quite decent. Number 11. Volkswagen ID.4. Although Volkswagen has had a horrible attitude towards EVs in the past, a change in leadership at the highest levels has corrected that. And about time, too, given that the company is the de facto largest automaker in the world. The ID.4 is an electric SUV which only recently broke into the American market. The base price is $41,190 and it offers 250 miles of range. Number 10. Nissan Leaf. One of the greatest advantages of the Nissan Leaf is brand longevity. While other automakers were floundering to make an electric vehicle, it entered the market, quickly gaining familiarity with consumers. Perhaps because of this familiarity, it can manage to overcharge for less range and less luxury. But for how much longer? Currently, the car goes for $32,620 and offers up to 226 miles of range. Number 9. Audi e-Tron. Audi is a recognizable luxury brand worldwide. Fans of the company will be pleased to know that the luxury element was not neglected when it came to creating this line of sleek electric cars. Naturally, though, the car is a bit on the pricey side. Going for $67,000, it offers 222 miles of range. Owing to its beautiful two-motor all-wheel drive system, the performance is quite neat as well. Number 8. Tesla Model X. Tesla appears in this video quite a few times, and the Model X just happens to be the first entry. With a base price of $91,000, it offers 371 miles of range. What makes the Model X special is that it is an electric SUV that offers just about everything to users. You have luxury, performance, and stability bundled up neatly in one package. Number 7. Ford Mustang Mach-E. Even though Ford usually reserves the Mustang brand for muscle cars, it applied the name towards this Mach-E electric SUV. And while the Mach-E does look mean, its still sleek design still renders it closer to luxury vehicles than to muscle cars. Not to say the two cannot coexist. In any case, for a price of $44,000, the Mach-E offers up to 305 miles of range. Number 6. Hyundai Kona Electric. Even though the Kona Electric was released along with the Hyundai Ioniq, this car has performed way better in terms of sales. And this is for good reason, as it generally offers greater consumer utility. Other than larger cargo space, the Kona has a larger battery pack, giving it a greater range. For a price of $38,600, you get 258 miles of range. Number 5. Porsche Taycan. When EVs were first trying to break into the market, pioneering companies like Tesla reimagined them as luxury sports cars. This was to appeal to wealthy car enthusiasts who, at the time, represented the primary market. Well, the design of the Porsche Taycan is a rather close throwback to those EVs of old. Going for $80,000, it offers 200 miles of range. Number 4. Chevrolet Bolt. Some insiders might argue that the Chevy Bolt started as a practical joke of some sort. Even so, its market presence and brand longevity have assured that it is popular among consumers. The popularity is also warranted by its stability, performance, and comfort. For $37,000, it grants you up to 259 miles of range. Number 3. Tesla Cybertruck. Although the Tesla Cybertruck hasn't launched yet, we still believe it deserves a place on this list. As weird as it looks, and as botched as its reveal was, the car has slowly gained popularity around the world. Slated for a late 2021 release date, the price ranges from $40,000 to $70,000 while offering 248 to 500 miles of range. Number 2. Polestar 2. Though Polestar as a company has been hyped up to be a rival of Tesla, it hasn't yet been able to match sales or production figures. Despite this discrepancy, the Polestar 2 looks to be a huge step in the right direction. The electric SUV looks amazing, clean, and sleek. Expected to arrive in the third quarter of the year, the car promises up to 275 miles of range for a price of $60,000. Number 1. Tesla Model Y. Out of all the various Tesla EVs, the Model Y is the best. This is a general-purpose machine that is affordable and appeals to the largest possible market niche. For $81,000, the car offers up to 402 miles of range. Though it may seem quite pricey, it's the best-selling EV of the year, indicating that consumers are satisfied with its specifications. So, there you have it. While some of these car concepts are targeted towards the general populace, others have yet more niche uses. Interested in learning more? Then be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. Until next time, have a great day.